What's going on, YouTube? I'm excited to share with you guys today my brand new folding electric bike. I purchased this thing from Amazon for around $400, including shipping and handling. The interesting thing is I purchased this thing under the brand name Xiaofu, but as you guys can see, it came in a box branded Ancheer. And to prove it, I'll show you guys the listing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says brand Xiaofu, folding electric bike. You guys see that? Yes. What does the box say? Ancheer. Which gets me, I'm really curious. I'm not sure what I'm gonna find once I open this thing up. So let's just get started, huh? Ta-da. Let's put this right here. Okay. I thought there was a kickstand on here. Let's see. You know what? I'm not going to do that just yet. There's a bag of additional parts. This thing is really cool looking. Oh, also, hey, let me explain what I got here. I have a few accessories that I pre-ordered that I'm really excited to put on here. A basket. A pretty short lock. As well as a bicycle phone holder. Oh, yeah. That's fine. So this is the fender. I almost threw this away. I'm glad that I did. Put this here for now. Slide this entire box out the way. Get busy. Let's get busy. What are these things? Huh. That's what was stopping that earlier. Oh, there's a little instruction manual. Normally there's like a more in-your-face type instruction manual or something stuck to this to let you know what you should be doing first. Because I feel like I could just be doing the wrong thing here, but let's give it a look-see. Ooh, fancy. And then once again, I have not read the instruction manuals, but I'm assuming that's all you do there to lock that bad boy in. One last piece here. Let's see what we have in here before we get any further. I'm assuming that these go onto the bottom as feet rest holders. Footrest pegs. Which direction? I don't think it matters what direction. Nice. Let's dig into this quick access book. Quick start unfolding. Mount the pedal clockwise. Huh. That's pretty much what I've already done. I guess and there's charging. Connect the charger to the power plug and then to the e-bike. When the charging indicator turns green from red, it shows full power. Press the boot button. Push forward the boot button to turn on the bike. And it tells you what the boot button is, huh? So let's see. Press the boot button. Press forward the boot button to turn on the e-bike. What the hell is this? There is no list of a boot button on here, just to let you know. I'm assuming the boot button is the power button. Goddamn boot button. I must have had some kids read this. God, kids probably wrote this too. I think that's the boot button. This must have been made in France. Zit. See what we're smoking cigarettes, you stupid Americans. The boot button. 0 speed booting and non-zero speed booting. 0 speed booting. When the e-bike is on standby mode, you can accelerate with speeding bar. Non-zero speed booting. The bike boots when it runs only a certain initial speed. App control. It's not even. What? And here we have it now with the Ancheer, or Ancheer, however you want to pronounce it, electric bike, fully assembled with all of my accessories on the front. And you know what? Let's just make this more fun. I might as well attach my cell phone up here, just for fun. Now, let's take it for a test drive. And actually, before I take it for a test drive, let's turn it on. And according to the instruction manuals, you have to hold down this button in order to turn on the headlights. So let's turn the headlights on. Headlights are on. Tail lights are on. I think it's safe to go. Should we show them real quick? Let's show them how this basket works. So, pull this in, lift this up, and boom, fully assembled. And we're out once again. Pop that, smoke that. She doing this here for dad. Bust down, rolling. Ain't had no but niggas around me. A moment of silence for all of my niggas that's lying. 6 feet with me, hear me. Hey, all of my niggas be grinding. All of my niggas be shining. The other half don't talk about. It's understood, just understood. She throwing it back, I feel that. Pussy wet like rain. Hold up, baby, mommy, can we? Yo. I've been traveling abroad, suitcase go yard, John Madden in the game, so you know I rep the gang, getting